How to use Feliway. The Feliway diffuser is easy to use. You plug the unit ideally into a low level wall socket and that's it. Place a diffuser in the area your cat spends most of its time or the area most affected by your cat's unwanted behaviour. The diffuser will need to be switched on constantly to ensure that the Feliway pheromone is consistently diffused in the home. This means that turning off your diffuser at night or when you go out to work may affect how well Feliway works for you. When needed, you can replace the Feliway vials. The plug-in itself will need to be replaced after 5 refills have been used or after 6 months. When replacing your Feliway diffuser, you need to ensure that you put it in an area that is open. So, not behind or under furniture, as this restricts the area the Feliway can reach. Do not place under windows, near doorways or any air-conditioned units you have in the home. This is because the diffuser, if exposed to drafts, will be forced to work harder, the Feliway may be used up faster, and it will affect how concentrated the Feliway is in the area you want it to be, which might affect how well it works. If you live in a larger home or have several areas of the home that are being affected by unwanted behaviour from your cat or cats, it's recommended you have multiple Feliway diffusers around the home. The great thing about Feliway diffuser is that you can use this long term without concern. The diffuser is made from non-flammable plastic, which means you can leave the diffuser plugged in without a worry for your home.